We all know that air quality is a primary health concern, especially in the long winter time in Canada. It's a time that we close the windows, we turn up the heat, and also it's a time for a lot of diseases. So this happens because lots of pollution exists in indoor air. That can be bacteria, viruses, chemicals, volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, what we call. So VOCs are emitted as gases from certain solids, certain liquids, and they are known to have potential health effects for people. And an exposure of VOCs can be really serious because average people spend around 90% of their time indoor. So the research that we have done is about indoor air pollution and developing methods to effectively remove some kind of pollutants from indoor air. We destroy VOC molecule and we turn it to carbon dioxide and water. So we use ozone and catalyst in this reaction to degrade VOC molecule. And a catalyst, as you know, is a substance that can be added to the reaction, and it increases the speed of the reaction and typically lower the required temperature. In my research, we focused to kind of work on the catalyst itself. We picked up manganese and alumina as the best combination of metal and support, and we don't know what is our catalyst actually, and we don't know which form of manganese is better for our reaction. c.l.s helps us to find out. What we hope is that we can develop better catalysts. And also what we're doing recently is that we want to try this technique for kind of some bacteria. Now we're working on chemicals. We want to try that in some bacteria, even COVID molecules. So that's very important to kind of having a system to provide fresh air and clean air for us. Now, typically people, using HVAC system, and if we can have kind of circulation and having these kind of techniques, we can get rid of any pollution in indoor air. That would be awesome. Thank you.